Welcome to True Projects. In this video, we are going to explain the project and implementation of blockchain technology in forensic evidence management. Introduction. The project's primary objective is to modernize the management of forensic evidence by incorporating blockchain technology. Traditional methods of managing evidence such as manual record keeping and centralized storage systems often encounter challenges related to data integrity, transparency, and the risk of tampering. These issues can undermine trust in legal proceedings. To address these challenges, the project integrates blockchain technology. Blockchain functions as a digital ledger, recording forensic evidence data into blocks to establish a secure and transparent data chain. Blockchain has several advantages. It is decentralized, which means there is no single controlling authority, making it resistant to manipulation. Transactions are transparent so everyone can see them. It is secure due to strong encryption. It accelerates encryption-decryption processing time. And once data is added, it is nearly impossible to change. There are many types of blockchains such as Ethereum, Bitcoin, Stellar, Ripple, etc. Each has its unique features, governance models, and target use cases. We are using Ethereum in this project. Ethereum goes beyond just recording transactions. It allows developers to create small computer programs called smart contracts. These smart contracts, without the need for a centralized authority, a legal framework, manage tasks like storing and getting evidence data. Ethereum's strengths include its ability to create various decentralized applications and its active community of developers. It continuously improves its security, and many other projects in the blockchain space work well with Ethereum. Therefore, by implementing Ethereum and blockchain technology, the project significantly enhances the security, transparency, and integrity of forensic evidence management. These improvements are crucial for building trust within the field of forensic science, ensuring that evidence is handled and presented reliably in legal proceedings. Objective of the project. The primary goal of the project is to shift from traditional manual methods of evidence management to a digital system. This transition aims to modernize the process and make it more efficient. It aims to utilize blockchain technology to ensure the security and integrity of crime data. Blockchain's core features such as tamper resistance and data encryption are leveraged to prevent unauthorized access or alterations to the stored evidence. It also focuses on providing reliable and unaltered evidence that can be used confidently in legal proceedings, contributing to the trustworthiness of the forensic evidence. Another aim is to create a user-friendly web interface for evidence management. This interface will simplify the process of recording, accessing, and managing forensic evidence. The user-friendly design aims to make it intuitive for law enforcement personnel and authorized users to interact with the system efficiently, streamlining evidence-related tasks. Requirements needed to execute this project are hardware requirements: processor of i5 and above, RAM of 8GB and above, ROM of 25GB and above. Software requirements needed are Node.js, Python 3.7.0, and Visual Studio Community version. To execute this project, we have designed few modules. The first module is admin login. This module serves as the entry point for authorized users, typically administrators or law enforcement personnel. Users provide their credentials, including a username and password, to access the system securely. Upon successful login, users gain access to the system's various functionalities, allowing them to manage forensic evidence data. The second module is Add Evidences to Blockchain. In this module, authorized users can input new forensic evidence data into the blockchain-based system. Users fill out forms or provide relevant details, including information about the evidence, case details, location, and additional metadata. The system will process this data, ensuring its accuracy, and then securely records it on the blockchain. The blockchain's tamper-proof nature guarantees the immutability and integrity of the stored evidence. The next module is Fetch Evidences from Blockchain. In this module, authorized users can access and view forensic evidence data stored within the blockchain. This streamlined approach allows authorized individuals to easily access and review accurate and unaltered evidence data for legal purposes and analysis. Blockchain integration. Blockchain is used to securely store forensic evidence data. When new evidence is collected, it undergoes encryption before being stored on the blockchain, ensuring the confidentiality and integrity of sensitive crime data. User details related to evidence management are stored on the blockchain, safeguarding them against unauthorized alterations. The smart contracts in Solidity streamline the storage of forensic evidence processes such as decryption and retrieval. And data integrity is maintained in the system through the utilization of the SHA-256 algorithm, that is Secure Hash Algorithm 256-bit. Each block in a blockchain is linked with a unique hash code. These blocks are maintained across multiple nodes or servers. Before storing new records, blockchain verifies the hash code of each block. If any block data is modified, it results in a different hash code, triggering security alarms and ensuring the integrity and immutability of the data. Execution of the project. To execute this project, first we need to open the code folder which contains the project source code files. So this is forensic evidence folder. Inside this folder are Python code files that are intended to be dynamically loaded into the project during runtime. This is forensic evidence app folder. This folder comprises a static folder which contains files related to CSS, JavaScript and Bootstrap. These files contribute to the visual and interactive aspects of the application. And forensic evidence app folder also contains a templates folder. Within this folder, we'll find all the HTML pages used throughout the project. It includes pages like index.html, home.html and more, representing various sections of the website. And it also contains Python code files that will be executed during the runtime of the application, supporting its functionality. This is HelloEth folder. In this folder, I have a node modules folder. This folder consists of dependencies or modules needed for the project. Now open .bin folder. This folder often contains executable scripts related to the project's dependencies. So here we can see run blockchain.bat file. Double click on it to start the blockchain. This script will initiate the local Ethereum blockchain for development purposes. It contains commands to start the blockchain environment. Now the blockchain is hosted on the local machine at the local host and the port. This address allows us to interact with the blockchain using various tools and applications. Now execute the command truffle space migrate to compile and deploy the smart contracts. So I'm typing truffle space migrate and hit the enter button. Truffle is a development framework for Ethereum that simplifies the process of compiling and deploying smart contracts. They're deployed on a blockchain network and can facilitate various transactions such as transferring tokens or managing digital assets. Once the migration process is complete, Truffle will provide us with a unique Ethereum contract address. This is the contract address. This address represents the location of the deployed smart contract on the blockchain. And here we can see gas used. To execute the check solidity file and compile smart contracts, this is the amount of gas consumed. Now minimize this. This is forensic evidence contract file. This file consists of Solidity code. It handles data structure, functions and events with modifiers for validation. This is manage.py file. It is a command line utility that comes with Django. It provides various commands for managing Django projects, including tasks like running the development server, creating database tables, applying migrations and more. And this is run.bat file. Instead of executing the project through command line interface, we have created Windows bat file to execute the project. Now double click on it to start the Django application. So Django framework will host the application locally at the default address, localhost and port unless configured differently. Now copy the local link provided by the framework. I'm copying it and paste it into any web browser. I prefer Chrome. After pasting it, type index.html at the end and then hit the enter button. So the home page of the project has been displayed in the browser. This is the front end built using Django framework. And here we can see administrator link, click on it. So we have to give the credentials of admin here. So the username and give the password and click on login. So it is showing me login failed. So give the correct credentials. So here we can see add evidences to blockchain, fetch evidences from blockchain and logout links. Click on add evidences to blockchain link. So police personnel or admin may record all crime and evidences details here. So I'm filling in all these details now. So the record ID would be 1. Crime type is robbery. Crime description: 2 thieves entered the house and stole gold ornaments, and collected evidence details would be CCTV footage. Crime area is Hyderabad, and eyewitness would be Ravi. So after filling in all these details, click on submit button. So in the red color text, we can see evidence details saved in blockchain. Now click on fetch evidences from blockchain link. So here admin can fetch all evidences details from blockchain and can use in court for correct judgment. So here we can see the evidences. So similarly, admin can add any number of crime details in the application and record in blockchain. Now click on logout. So the conclusion here is the project aimed to bring a significant change to how forensic evidence is managed. Instead of relying on traditional methods, it introduced blockchain technology which has the potential to transform how we handle crucial evidence in legal cases. It utilized blockchain's tamper-proof features to protect forensic evidence from unauthorized access or alterations. This heightened level of security is crucial to maintaining the trustworthiness of evidence in legal proceedings. The project focused on making the process of evidence management more efficient and straightforward. This streamlining aimed to reduce errors and ensure that evidence is accurately tracked and preserved throughout its life cycle. Such accuracy is essential for maintaining the integrity of evidence in legal proceedings. Law enforcement agencies benefit from improved evidence management as it aids in investigations and ensures the reliability of evidence. Therefore, this project serves as a prime example of how blockchain technology can revolutionize the management of forensic evidence. It demonstrates the technology's capacity to make evidence management safer, more efficient and reliable, ultimately paving the way for a more transparent and trustworthy legal process.
Thank you for watching video. For more projects, please visit our website www.trueprojects.in. For updates on latest project videos, please visit True Projects YouTube channel and subscribe.